Hi guys, welcome back to Sheet Metal 101. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to lay down a few simple holes using the Hole Wizard. Pretty easy tool to use, so I'm going to show you guys how to do a few of them, and then you guys can do the rest using that knowledge. So let's get started. I'm going to go up here on the Features toolbar and click Hole Wizard. As you can see, a relatively complicated feature manager comes up. I'll just show you guys where to go for this one. For all the holes on this part, we're going to be just under hole. There's no countersinks, counterbores, nothing like that. And our standard is always going to be ANSI inch. We are going to get some changes in the type. For this first one, we're going to go under all drill sizes. Now as you can see, there's a lot of options here, so we're going to have to look around a bit. This first one we have to find is number 30. So we'll scroll down, and there it is. As you can see, it's under 1/8. So all three of these holes right here, although slightly different, are all of the size 1/8 of an inch. So we'll select number 30. Now we go here to this tab named Positions. This is where we get to select where we're going to put the holes. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to select the front face. I'm going to lay down 5 of these holes because we know that's how many we want. So I'll put one there. I'll infer that one right there, infer that one right there, infer that one, and once again, infer that one. Now we have to start dimensioning. So go to Smart Dimensions. We are given that these two holes are 1.5 inches apart. We are also given that this hole is 0.94 inches from the bottom. We are also given that this hole is 1.94 inches from the bottom. Now we have to use some relations to get all these lined up. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a center line straight through the middle of the part. I'm going to infer it using quick snaps right there. I'm just going to drag that straight through. Conveniently, it seems that that center hole was already directly in the middle of the part. Now I'm going to use some relations. So first of all, I'm going to highlight this part, or this hole, sorry, and this hole, and make those horizontal. Green check mark. Then I'm going to select this hole and make them vertical. Select this hole, make them vertical. Select this hole, and make them horizontal. And finally, this is the trickier one. I'm going to select this hole, that line, and this hole. I'm going to make them symmetric. That means that there will be an equal distance between this hole and the center line and that hole in the center line. So now as you can see, all of our holes are fully defined. We'll click the green check mark, and we have all of our holes made. Next hole we want to make is up on this right face here. So I'm going to select that and click Normal 2. Once again, go up to Hole Wizard. This hole is going to be a clearance hole, so we're going to go to this drop-down menu and click Screw Clearances. It's going to be a number 8, so right here. Also, under the end condition, we're going to select Through All, and that last one it didn't really matter because it was a very thin surface anyways. So it's Through All for this one. Now we're going to position it. I'll select it, put it right there, go to Smart Dimensions. We are given that this distance here is 0.22. and that its horizontal distance from this side is 0.38. Now that hole is fully defined. As you can see from the preview, this will actually be creating 2 holes using only one sketch, which is very convenient for us. We click the green check mark, and there's our 2 holes. Alright, so that's it for what I'm going to show you guys. I think that you guys can muster up to do the rest. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the drawing video.